CreatureCal! Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. CreatureCal, he knows all about the animals. CreatureCal and just what they do. CreatureCal, there's so much wildlife to explore, so let's go to the zoo with CreatureCal. CreatureCal!
Hello there, I'm CreatureCal, and today I am going outside. Now I know what you're thinking. Kevin, it's dangerous to go outside. What are you doing? Well, I'm not outside anywhere. I'm outside my backyard. See? And so no one is around my front yard unless someone's stalking me. Is there? Nope, I'm good. So I'm out here because today is Earth Day and it's the 50th anniversary. And it's good to go outside and embrace nature. It's cold outside, and I should have worn something with longer sleeves. But there's also another reason. See that tree up there? There was a hawk in that tree. I got a video of it. Just pooped. I want to see if the hawk comes back, and I want to know if it's if my backyard is part of its territory. So I left out some pieces of bologna to see if the hawk will get it, because hawks are birds of prey. They're carnivores and they like to eat meat. So maybe if there's some slabs of meat left around, maybe they'll take the bait, and maybe it'll think about staying in one of those lovely trees up there. So speaking of which, in my yard, I planted some acorns around here a little while ago because there was a Team for Trees event. I need to get back inside. It's cold out. I know I should be embracing nature and staying outside, but I need to get back in the warmth because it's too cold. Squirrel! Well, I'm gonna go back inside now, and I'm glad that I was able to go outside and experience nature on Earth Day and appreciate like all the plants and the animals that live around my neighborhood. I'm glad I was able to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Earth Day, and I hope you have a great Earth Day too. Well, that's it for this episode. As I always say, Happy Earth Day! Also, nature is awesome.
Thank you for watching this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more awesomeness. Make sure to check out my other videos.